How to fix couldn't place call try again error in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First thing first, you have to check if your application is updated or not. Open up your Play Store, then here simply search for WhatsApp. If you see update here, tap on update and update your app. If it shows open, leave that as it is. Once done, open up your settings here. Scroll below and tap onto apps. Here again, search for your WhatsApp. Now under app info page, you will see storage, tap onto it and clear the cache. Now come back. Under here, you will also see force stop. Tap onto it, then tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and under here, tap on microphone. You have to make sure that you have allowed permissions for microphone. You can toggle on allow only while using the app or ask every time. Once it is so, tap on music and audio, also allow for this. And that is pretty much it. Restart your device and that shall fix it. Thank you for watching guys, and we will catch you up in our next upload.